Mag-asawa na. Ang sweet yun talaga. Diba, nandito yung misis, nandun yung asawa, hanggang kaya lumayo, lalayo. May iba na kasama. Ayun, no? O, wala namang pakialam to. O, tingin na tingin sa camera. Nakakulang sa upuan. Okay. So, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. And of course, you're still studying. Nana. Out of studio. Ano ba tawag mo sa bag ninyo? Di ba you sport a bag for school that you use from grade 1 to grade 6? Lancer. So you still have your bag? That black bag? I'm very interested in the bag.
Red.
You red. For girls, you sport a red bag. For boys?
Yeah.
For the gays? Polka dot. Okay. So, you watch Darna regularly? Ignacio?
Yes.
Oh, very good, huh? I am going to be the next Darna. Nanay mo? What will you be showing us, the talent portion?
Nag-piano
Gentlemen, we will just be pausing for a short break. Those who would want to rest for a while, go to the bathroom or anything, you may do so. We'll just be resuming in about 5 to 8 minutes. Thank you very much.
Ano? Ano yun?